It's time for date night.
Time to win.
Well, he's gonna win for both of us. I'm out of commission.
And I lose.
See how he treats me?
Jose trying to train somebody or his bootleg version of how he learned how to bowl. Well, he just threw the ball one day and it worked. So now he think you're a professional. Jose said Emmy got a face. He got eyes. He got eyes in the mouth. Come on, she about to change that. Let's go. Let's go. What y'all saying? What y'all talking about? All right, let's go. Call it. Call it, baby. Call it. Call it, boy. Come on. Let's go.
Pressure on Aya.
Just say, beat the Browns. They got their championship rings on from field day. Yes, look.
Yes,
They got their winning mojo.
the Eagles in the building.
They got their winning mojo. They done won. Look at him. Is he praying? Is he praying over the ball? Oh, can he do it? What's going to happen? All right, it's interview time. Beautiful bride.
Let me explain myself now. The results are skewed.
Uh-huh.
You know why? Because I got knees on.
Oh,
They're hurting me, so I had to, try different methods without putting my fingers in the ball.
Oh, all
So
right.
I had to get what I could. But,
Okay.
I'll be back.
You did a great job. There we go. Mrs. Jackson. So let's talk about these results tonight. How'd you guys make out?
I'm the winner. Don't worry, I'm the winner.
Okay.
Don't look at the score, I'm the winner.
Oh, all right. Ultimately, overall,
I'm the winner.
you won. That's all that matters. I mean, I don't know, sis. You're still the winner. I don't know. We're together as a team.
As a team, we love the energy, we
Yes.
have the fun,
Yeah.
we
That's
love
what
the
it's all about.
atmosphere.
We all win, right?
Everybody,
We having fun.
everybody.
That's right.
Everybody. And the lemon pepper chicken's good.
Okay. So let's talk about tonight. How'd you guys do? Was there like a strategy involved?
No strategy.
No, it was pretty much a rematch from our first date. I won
Rematch of the
two,
first
she
date.
won two.
You know?
So we gotta come back and
On our
have a
first
celebration.
date 3 years ago, I beat him.
Okay.
And he's still holding on to that grudge. You know what I'm saying?
So he came ready tonight.
Right.
Yes.
He came ready.
Blew out
But
the first game, blew out.
I won 2, he won 2. So we still at it again.
Okay. All right. So you still got to break the tie.
Yes.
Okay. So that means another bowling date night coming soon.
Yes.
Mr. and Mrs. Brown,
Yes.
just talking about the strategies for tonight. How you think things went? I think you guys kind of beat everybody all night. We talked about the winning streak you're on. So, is there a strategy or what?
There is no strategy. We just came to have fun
That's right.
and ended up blowing them out in the process.
No, she said it, not you. What are we doing here? What's the strategy? What's the strategy?
What kind of ice cream you want, what toppings, candy, all different stuff. So they got the big cookie and they got the big brownie. You pick whatever you want.
That's it for me. Brownie or cookies?
You will never see me ever.
Everybody wave